Here we are driving northbound on I-93, just outside of Derry. This is just about 8 o'clock on Saturday night. Traffic speed restrictions are down to 45 miles per hour.
We're about 35 right now.
We're about 35, according to my wife, who's driving right now, taking on that brave task. But looking, yeah, there's the exit for 102 for Derry and Londonderry. It is certainly a slow ride at night. You're not going to want to be out here on the road. Jeez. Let's refocus this a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. See, there's one of the speed limit advisory signs. There you go. Winter driving certainly is. We've seen some plows in the southbound lanes. Some parts are more covered than others. It's unbelievable. We've seen quite a few spin-outs on the off-ramps in particular. They freeze over fastest, they get covered fastest, and they get uncovered slowest, so be especially careful there. And now we're in Londonderry. All on I-93 here. Unbelievable.